fx equals to negative 5 upon x minus 2, on which intervals is the graph of f concave down. Okay, we need the derivative in order to find this. So we have the f here, but let's find the f prime, which is here. So in order to find on which interval of the graph f is concave down, basically we need f double prime to be less than 0, so below x-axis. So for the portion where we have the graph below x-axis, f double prime, that is where f is concave down. So f double prime x, we have, it is below x-axis, as you can see. For x is greater than 2, there is an asymptote on x equals to 2. As you can see, it approaches the value 2. Yeah, so on which intervals is the graph of f concave down? So it means x is greater than 2 only, because for x is greater than 2, this graph is below the x-axis, and we have an asymptote on the line x equals 2, so the graph cannot pass beyond this point. It cannot come on this side, on x equals to 1, or on any portion left towards the left from this point x equals 2.